tariffs aren't high enough. Even if you hit China with 100% tariff, it's still cheaper for them to make it in China than it is, right? But not, Bilal's nodding. We can get it right now.
Well, you
Do you
said
know
the
how much you?
iPhone example before.
Yeah.
It's like it would be
Do
4x
you know how
versus
much you'd have
2x.
to pay somebody to screw those in America? Like seriously, right?
That's it. Yeah.
The other thing we've touched on, China has been building out the supply chain within the country for 30 years, right? So the thing you have to remember about China is I'll give you an example I know from Vietnam. Vietnam has undercut China on wages by a lot, but the wage for labor is like at this point maybe a quarter of the consideration of whether or not you want to manufacture in that country. Dude, when I was living in Vietnam, it's like every manufacturer I talked to, I was like, oh my God, like Vietnam is undercutting China now because China is actually pretty expensive to manufacture, relatively speaking. They're like, yeah, it doesn't matter. Like you could charge twice as much for labor in China. We'd still use them because they have everything else, right? The full picture. You want to know what China has that Vietnam doesn't have? It has literally thousands of suppliers for the most random parts in the world right down the street from you, right? It has roads built for manufacturing. Roads for manufacturing are different than roads for your neighborhood because those roads need to be able to withstand tons and tons of movement across them, right? China has that logistical thing. They're connected to ports. Their internal supply chain is insane.